Is this the next huge NFT launch pad? What's up, guys? How's it going? Taib here, aka John. Today I'm going to be talking about the next big project that is going to be having massive, insane returns on staking, yield farming, and as well going to be releasing NFT tokens. So go ahead and stay tuned and go ahead and find out more about the project. And as well, for those of you that are new to the channel, go ahead and welcome. If you guys are interested into BTC updates and what's going on with the overall market, go ahead and make sure to stay till the end of the video. Is usually around the time when I go ahead and do a quick analysis of how the market is doing and what we could go ahead and be expecting, especially with everything going on currently in the market. But before I do go ahead and move forward, I do want to go ahead and say anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only, all right, guys? And always make sure to invest in what you're willing to lose, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. The project that I am talking about is called ZAM.io. Billy Blockchain, aka Kyle, actually spoke about this. This is a new sponsorship, so just go ahead and keep that in mind. This is paid content. We are not like those other YouTubers out there that will show content without telling you guys and being transparent. Yes, we are being paid for this, okay? So let's go ahead and go straight to the video. I'm going to go ahead and say my honest opinion regardless whether I'm getting paid or not, and I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know the pros and cons of what I see that's going on, all right, guys? So let's go ahead and look into it. So it's called, the project that he actually released is called the Trillionaires. So let's go ahead and look at this launch pad. I really personally like it. You know, usually we get a lot of offers every day from multiple companies and partnerships wanting to go ahead and work together. Usually, you know, about like 99% of them are declined, to be honest. So if I find a project that's interested, Billy and I, we definitely go ahead and go for it and, you know, check it out. At the end of the day, always do your own research, and let's go ahead and go straight to the project, all right? So what I actually liked about this project is that it's a launch pad that you can go ahead and launch. You know, they're launching their NFTs, they're providing staking, yield farming, and as well, they do have their own native token, which is called the ZAM token, which is a stable coin token, all right, guys? So let's go ahead and read into it. Today, traditional financial markets dwarfs that of blockchain. The global stock market is valued at 95 trillion, while the entire crypto market cap is only about 2 trillion. Transitioning into the new decentralized economy requires duplicating trillions of capital into blockchain. If only 1% of stocks are locked in DeFi, over 950 billion capitalization could be added to the crypto market. So it kind of tells you a little bit about their vision, you know, is to expand in the market by creating powerful instruments that can connect people from capital, from traditional finance to DeFi. So let's go ahead and see what they have, all right, guys? So they go ahead and offer yield programs, discounts, cashback rewards. They also have ZAM.me, fintech, you know, digital debit cards, services and payments. You know, they have ZAM.io, which is ZamX, ZAM Wallet, Zenergy, investment portfolio, and then they have the Z Morgan protocol, which is, you know, a broker, a bank, an escrow. And as well, let's go ahead and see right here. It tells you a little bit more about how Z Morgan works. It's an on-chain platform for stablecoin loans secured by stocks as collateral. Monetize your stocks without selling them. Unlock the value of your stocks and seize every trading opportunity in the blockchain economy. And it kind of tells you the way it works. So you have the stablecoin right here. So you have insurance by ZAM. You get insured through USDZ or ZAM, which is their stable coin. You get it down by the lender, which then provides you the liquidity. And then you have your escrow, and then you have the NASDAQ Oracle, which is then borrowed from eToro or Binance. So that is pretty cool. Let's see if it tells us a little bit more information. And it tells you exactly what crypto lending is, how the securities are backed. It tells you right here. The borrower is able to receive a loan, usually in amounts from 50 to 95% securities market value with a credit line limit. So like I said, guys, this is a new way of actually borrowing more debt, which is pretty cool with your own crypto assets or, you know, stocks or whatever it is. So I really do like this project. I think, you know, the fact that this project has a lot of things all in one, and it kind of tells you the way, you know, how you can go ahead and have like Tesla and like trade it or whatnot. So it's money pegged to fiat. Tells you a little bit more about the ecosystem. I do like this token due to the fact that it's both ETH and BSC. It is Certic audited as well. They also do have a ZAM Wallet. Safe Wallet is store and manage digital assets, store, manage, send, and receive digital assets to your convenience, send crypto by phone number, access ready-made investment portfolios, and then it says secured by the world's most advanced protection methods. So I think this is a huge thing, guys. You know, for people getting into crypto, sending money through crypto is really complicated. And, you know, doing it through this way like this is easy as just sending a text message sort of thing, kind of like Zelle. You can go ahead and send crypto. So unfortunately, I did went ahead, and I say unfortunately, I did went ahead and I downloaded the app. And when I went ahead and downloaded the app to go ahead and try out for myself, I got this error where it said like, for the code, for the phone number code, because you do have to put in your phone number and it's in your verification code. So for the team watching the video, please go ahead and update this. You know, that does not look really good on the project. I'm extremely bullish on this, but definitely I would be more bullish if I was able to check out the application itself. But like I said, I think it's a simple thing they could go ahead and fix right away. At least on my end, I was using Google Play. So you guys can go ahead and try that out for yourselves. But that's an issue I ran across, so I can't really tell you exactly too much about the ZAM wallet. But from the outside, it looks really good. I haven't tried it myself from the inside, all right, guys? Just to be transparent with all of you guys. ZAM Wallet exchange is powered by Binance to provide our users exponential experience with high liquidity, smooth performance, and top-tier security. And then it kind of tells you right here their milestones, you know, where they're working at 2018, 2019, and then 2020. So it looks like they've been working on this project for quite a while. They do have over 100,000 followers on Twitter, and they've been just running through this roadmap. So right now, Q4, let's see what their goals are. So they're going to have, for Q3, they're going to be, let's see if there's anything like crazy interesting that I would like to go ahead and see. So it does look like they're going to have a partnership with the Interactive Broker. That's pretty cool. Virtual bank cards. That's really cool. I think that is definitely going to change the game. Tells you a little bit more about the team. Everybody in the team. They are docs, as you guys can go ahead and check out.
Mr. President, this looks really bad, sir. The doctor's research was leaked and it has left unrest within the country. This is not good. The plan backfired, as I predicted. Mr. President, you need to speak on this or there will be riots. We cannot afford riots on top of this. The president wants all samples brought to the laboratory at once for immediate testing. This could be dangerous, people. Very dangerous.
The advisors, partnerships, products. It tells you as well they have an academy, which is pretty cool. Here's where you guys could go ahead and find out more about the project. You guys could go ahead and click on CoinMarketCap. It takes you to the coin. I did tell you ZAM is a stable coin. And then you guys could go ahead and go to their social medias right here. They have their LinkedIn. You know, it looks like a really transparent team. Like I said, I personally like the project. That is one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and take the offer. And if you guys want to go ahead and mint the NFTs, you guys just go ahead and click on mint now. And then here's the launchpad that I was talking about, guys. So let's go ahead and look into it and let you guys know what's going on. So what really stood out to me is farming. They have yield farming. This is exactly what I'm most excited about. Like, I'm very excited for this. If they still haven't released it, it says right here pending, and it says soon. I hope that they have not released it yet, because I definitely do want to be part of this yield farming. As you can tell, they are offering 88 1,000%. So that is insane. I definitely do want to go ahead and be part of that. And then they have their staking as well. They offer currently right now about 20%, which is more than your typical Wells Fargo or bank, right, guys? And then you guys can go ahead and check out how much you guys would be staking, the amount, and it tells you how much you'll be getting. So like, let's say, for example, if you're ZAM per year, I don't know exactly the conversion. I think it's like 0.60, so about half of a dollar. So in a month, I think this is a month, or is that a million? Interesting. Anyways, yearly you'll be getting 12,000, monthly you'll be getting 1,000, and daily you'll be getting about $35. So that is really cool, guys. I really do like, diversifying and having your monies in different places. This crypto space, there's plenty of ways to go ahead and make money, whether that's trading NFTs, whether that's staking, yield farming. Obviously, there's a time for all of these things to go ahead and jump in. I personally think yield farming is really good while the market is in a bull market, because you definitely do not want to be holding tokens on a bear market, even with a high percent, returns, unless you really believe in the project and you're willing to go ahead and hold on to the project, possibly in the red for a few months to a few years. So just go ahead and keep that in mind. That for yield farming, you guys could go ahead and make massive returns. It's just pretty much providing you liquidity, right? So yeah, guys, I really do like this project. I'm very excited to be working with the team. If you guys want to go ahead and buy the NFTs, the trillionaires, like we mentioned, you guys do get exclusive, opportunities with what they're working on. It's part of ZAM.io. I think this project provides a lot of utility, and as well, I think the art is very cool. That is what really, to be honest, gravitated me towards, was the art. I really liked the art a lot. And then obviously I looked into the project and liked how the project actually worked. I think the project has a lot of potential, and I really do believe in it. And like I said, let's go ahead and look into what ZAM brings you, right? ZAM brings value to holders by using the token in multiple ways. So what are those ways? Payment and transactions, discounts, cashbacks, network fees, staking rewards, protocol management, stable coins. And it tells you right here a little bit more about the, token metrics, distribution. And then it tells you right here a little bit more. And it tells you pretty much, KYC, everything. So, really solid project. I like it a lot. I really hope they go ahead and fix the wallet issue. I'm definitely going to go ahead and get back with the team on that. I'm going to go ahead and bring that to their attention. And I'll go ahead and do an updated video, guys, on anything coming out with this project. Like I said, I'm extremely bullish with what they're working on. I think it is they're providing a lot of value. They're not only providing the NFTs, but as well as staking and farming, which what I'm really excited about is the staking and farming, and as well their application. Like, I could just imagine, sending and receiving crypto as simple as, sending a text message. I think that's a game changer, and that's where this project could definitely be very beneficial to those that are new into crypto. So that is all, guys. I just want to go ahead and say thank you to all of you guys. Very grateful for every one of you guys. And if you guys are still watching, congratulations. Let's go ahead and switch over to Bitcoin, and let's just go ahead and talk about the market, all right? So what is going on with Bitcoin? So right now with Bitcoin, it's been nothing but consolidation. We did break above. Looks like we had a little short squeeze to the upside, breaking around 41,000. It got rejected, bounced back, but we did break multiple previous resistance points, so it did get rejected. But let's go ahead and see how it plays out. Today, while you guys are watching the video, is Wednesday. I am making this video on a Tuesday night. What is currently massive news is the rate hikes. They should be having that Fed meeting tomorrow, which is today, Wednesday, if you guys are watching this video. And I think that is extremely bullish, guys. I really do think that is extremely bullish for the market. We should be seeing an uptrend to the upside. People are extremely bearish, and I think with that being said, it's going to go ahead and cause like a mini short squeeze, or it could be the beginning to the bull run. You know, we should be getting more indicators by the end of the week, but today is a massive day, guys, depending on, you know, what goes on with the Fed and how President Biden decides to say something good or bad about crypto, whatever the case is really going to determine the market moving forward, you know. So that is what's in place at the moment. Not really much going on. You know, Bitcoin has just been boring. I think we're getting into a point in the crypto charts, which is, let's see if I could, I think it's called a market cycle chart. I think it's called cycle run. There you go. So I personally believe right now that we're in a disbelief side of the rally right now. I think a lot of people, I think we're around this side right here. Let me try to pull out a chart. I think we're around this side right here. We're around the depression to disbelief side of the market. I really do think that people right now, currently in the time being, are really scared. They're like, whatever. Is not a real market. You know, a lot of people are like depressed. You know, if those are you guys right now, just go ahead and hold on tight for a few more weeks to a few more months. I really do think that we're in the depression to disbelief zone right now. So you are going to be having a lot of disbelief at the moment being. And once we have that rally pump one more time, that's when I believe the bull market should be starting. So I think we should be getting, you know, getting a run up by the end of this week, and if not, possibly next week or by the ends of March. So going into April is when we should be seeing that upside very soon. But like I said, guys, it really depends on what the Fed says. I think it's going to be bullish news. I do expect the war to be pushed even further, but let's go ahead and see what happens, right, guys? So let's go ahead and end the video there. And I'll go ahead and catch with you guys on Thursday. You know, huge guest coming on Friday as well for the podcast, which you guys are going to be seeing on Sunday. So I'll go ahead and keep everybody tuned for that. But I just want to say thank you for every one of you guys. And we'll go ahead and keep you updated, all right? Just hold on tight. I know the market's getting really boring, but I think we should be seeing an upside very soon. See you guys.